So basically, my idea was to do MIS, and MIS has different name and different courses depending on the universities. Like for Northeastern, it's ITA, Information Technology and Analytics. So yeah, MIS has its name as ITM, Information Technology and Management. Our course is mostly focused on analytics part. This course will help me to get SAP certification, business analytics certification, and ERP certifications. There are many different tracks which you can select. My focus will be over this. My Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I had lectures on from 7 to 9:45 evening, and on Friday I had 1 to 4 in 1 to 3:45 in the afternoon. Also, the SOM School of Management have a mandatory subject, personality development, which was on Thursday. So I had the call for 1 hour, which is mandatory for the first sem. So I had college on all the weekdays. Okay, so it's 36 credit course, and from 4 technical subjects you have to take 3. From 4 management subjects you have to take 3, which will be a total of 6 subjects. So we are left with 6 more subjects. We can select 6 subjects from 30 elective possibles, or we can also take 2 subjects from any other field. Like ITM student can take 2 subjects from BA field. For the first sem, finding the course which we require with the best professor is difficult. But from the second semester, it's you get to register before the new students joining, so it's easy. Yeah, it's possible. I've seen many people coming after a sem to ITM. I can tell you about the School of Management, which is ITM and BA. It's not that difficult to score good GPA because it's not everything on the final day of the exam. It's also like it's given equal weighted to the presentations or assignments and everything. So if you complete everything on time, it's good. Okay, so for the ITM, there are 2 major subjects: BA with SS or BA with R. For example, if someone knows about that track, if they are selecting business analytics track, what they can do is learn one subject over here. They are both BA with R and BA with SAS are both. You cannot take both the subjects. So if you want to learn both, what one can do is learn BA with R in India, because it's an open source. R is an open source. They can get all the materials online, and they can also learn BA with SAS in the university. What this will do is R has more job options because it's an open source software. So if someone has knowledge about both the subjects, it's going to help them. Also, subjects like data visualization can be learned from home.